Hey, Life with the Box here. Today we are going to go on a ride with the Element, make a trip to Home Depot, and probably give you a little tour as we're driving. Alright, so we are on our way to Home Depot in the Element. Like I said, I'm going to give you a in-car driving experience tour. So let's begin with the ATOTO unit. This is the one I recently reviewed. I will leave a link if you want to watch that somewhere below. It's nice and bright. As you can see, it's super bright outside right now, and you can clearly see that screen. And here I'm going to press the, let's see, I think we can go into maps here. We've got Apple CarPlay. There we go. Nice and bright. You can see exactly where we're going. All right, let me change the view here. All right, so you can see now, nice sunny day, and the map is very bright and clear. Okay, moving along. Actually, let's go to the back here. This is the four-wheel drive model, so I do have that sunroof there, and I have those two little sunshades just to, keep the sun from coming in. And then nice big open space as you expect. That's why most people buy the Honda Element, for its practicality. And we've got this, what is this, a cat cover just to protect the floor. Like I said, we're going to Home Depot, so we have this whole area opened up because we're buying a nice big shelving unit here. Okay, and here we have the line here for the curtains if you want some privacy in the back. And then what I did was I just have these two little hangers, and I put a wire here, and it just kind of hangs, like it'll slide on and then close that way. Here we have the LED dome light, super bright, and when I turn this on, it also turns on the back, lighting up the whole interior. All right, now moving back up to the front here, I have the digital rear camera mirror, so you can see actually we're driving with it now, and you can see how wide of an angle you can see while we are driving. You can see basically almost the blind spots. Well, as if it wasn't with this camera, technically you would probably see like up to there, right? You won't even see that much. And the camera is actually mounted right under the third brake light. You can see right there. So it's using that camera, and I have it wired all the way down here along the floor, and then the pillar, and across the windshield, under the liner, and right coming up from here and into the mirror here. So you can see that. See where that white truck is right now? Boom, right there. Well, it is accelerating a little bit, so I think he's trying to race us. As you can see, there's another car coming. I can show you where the blind spot is. But anyways, it covers the blind spot area, which is added bonus safety, and also tells you, your speed, the time, the date, and it has a camera built in the front as well, and with an SD card. I have another video I think I made on this one. I'll put a link at the bottom as well. Okay, onto this, the Auxbeam, the gang switch. So no one else has ever mounted it here in an Element in the world that I know of. This is actually quite hard to do, but this is actually the best place to do it. So I have all my controls here right at my fingertips, and right, so I have driver heated seats. These are auxiliary light switches, right? All the lights that I have, like someone said in my comment, I have enough lights to light up a town. Okay, I've got the air horn. So I have the regular horn, And I also have a air train horn if I need it, which is mounted right here to toggle to activate. I'm not gonna press it right now just because I don't want to scare you in here. But that is what that does. And we've got side lights, of course, we've got the grill lights, we've got the roof lights, we've got the rear lights, and then these are the auxes for the those COB eyelash or whatever you want to call it, those angry looking lights. And I've got, of course, the PA system, right? So this activates the PA system, which is this right here. And again, it's a very convenient location, which is like right here. And you just press it, and then what I did was I just mounted it through this metal mesh grill. Keeps it nice and sturdy without moving. Okay, we've got sunshade, a nice big blind spot mirror here as well. It's a 2-inch, and you can see a little bit of the wires that sticks out. That goes to the side puddle light. And then I've got the heated seats here. Nice and toasty heated seats. Okay. As you can see, it's super quiet in here. And then we are almost at Home Depot. Let's see, anything else to show you guys? Trying to keep everything nice and clean, right? That's kind of my goal here. Oh yes, I do have a solar panel here, which trickle charges the battery while it is parked. And what I do is I have it connected to the battery and to a switch, which is right there. Right now it's in the off position. Once I park, I will turn that on, and then the little LED light there will turn on with a little light signal indicating that it is connected to the battery and it is charging. And then once it's convenient when sometimes you're not driving it and you park under the sun, it just tops up your battery, so you're never really having a low battery issue here. And then once you get back into the car, just remember to turn it off and you're good to go. Anything else? I do have the little lights under the cubbies here, which is also red. Can't really tell right now, but at nighttime it's very nice. Illuminates everything here. I do have a dash cam as a backup. So basically I have two sources of dash cam footage, one as a backup just in case one fails. And yeah, as you can see, this car is a 2003 Honda Element 4-wheel drive automatic, and as you can see, I mean, still running really strong. Of course, you got to keep up with the maintenance. All right, so we're almost at Home Depot, and once we get there, we're going to pack the Element. I'll show you how easy it is and how much storage this thing can hold. Yep. Oh, one thing I really like is that you can see the front, my hood mounted LED light bar there. So when you're driving, right? I really like that look, how you can see the bar. The way I have that connected is it's mounted to it's hooked up to the high beam switch. So anytime I just flip the high beam, that light bar along with the front front bumper light bar will both trigger. And yeah, as you can see, if you're driving, you can really see that light bar. I like it. Here we are, Home Depot, one of my favorite places. Alright, so we couldn't get the shelf today, but we did manage to get 2 spray foam bottles and this little salt spreader. And you see, look how awesome the Honda Element is. Look at all the space. It carries 2 cans and a salt sprayer.